So we're about to weld on some gate hinges, and we want to be safe than sorry. So we've got our little fire extinguisher here. Sorry. Yeah. Righto, so we've put all of our steelwork in. We're just up to swinging our gate. We're using a Weld class MIG welder here. And we've set this gate up to side swing. So the hinges will be on the side of the post and the gate will swing all the way back around onto the fence. Got our wops and wazzers, weld on pins and weld on sockets. So we're going to attach the female part onto the gate first. We'll weld that on, side it up, get it nice and straight. Then we'll weld the male part onto the gate, and we'll match the height from the top of the post to the top of the hinge, from the top of the gate to the top of the socket, so that the gate will be level with the tops of the posts by measurement, and we don't have to stand back and eye it off. Measuring from the level of the gate to the bottom of the weld-on socket, and it's about 225, 230. We'll call it 230, and we'll measure down from the top of the post. We'll mark that there, and that should make the top of the gate fairly level with the top of the post. Change that, or if it's not quite right, it's just tacked so we can break it off. So now we'll swing the gate and check our angles. Make our gate go up or down. Rattle gun. So we crank our gate up, or in this case it's got to go down. So what we've done here is we've set our gate up to be slightly higher than the post at the latch end, and the idea of that is when we weld the hinge on at the other end, the weight of the gate should drop so that it becomes fairly level with the top of the post. And we can adjust it later on if it's not quite right with our jack. And now we'll go and weld the bottom hinge on and see how we go. Once again, we've just tacked it. So now we'll see if our gate swings, what the height of it is at, and then we can fully weld it up. WF Walters fencing laser cut in it with a length of 8mm chain, and we found over the years that these are plate latches, one of the most secure ways you can latch a gateway. They're fairly well stock proof, so let's weld it on and see how it looks. Shaped to fit into the gate nicely. We'll weld that in and show you how the finished product. of welding our chain on. We've allowed ourselves plenty of length, and we've experience with cattle has shown that having the latch chain position lower than the latch helps prevent it from coming undone. So we're going to position it just below the center line of the latch. And then we'll check that it's all working nicely. Plenty of length there, and we'll complete the weld. Well, there's nothing like watching an expert like James from Walters Fencing to make a job look super easy. Of course, I wouldn't be trying this without some really good gear. We've got our world-class welder here, and it's certainly made this job easy. And make sure you get onto the team at Walters as well, because they've got a whole heap of fencing gear, tools and equipment to make your job with steel posts all that easier. Guys, if you like this kind of content, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and there's plenty more content like this on timthompson.ag. See you next week.